Ooh.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Ash here, Street Tech, coming back to you guys with another video. Actually, this is going to be a Ford Bronco in office. It's going to be a little bit in here. We're showing about the office and what we trying to do with the office. And I want you guys to leave a comment below to say how we should do it and how, you know, what should we put in there, or what designs we should get. Because I want you guys. Because I want to say thank you. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers, and I want to say thank you guys for, you know, supporting the team. And I want you guys to make a choice of like what we should get and what we should do to the office. But me here is I'm gonna show a little bit of video on the Bronco, me walking around it while I'm talking here. But I want to talk about what's going on with the Bronco. It came in. And I'm gonna talk a little bit more of that when we get inside the truck and, you know, do the video. I'm actually gonna see if they can just let me take my truck and drive by myself to test drive it. But we're gonna have a little short talk in there inside the Bronco, and, you know, talk about like what's gonna happen, what's going on, and things like that. But I'm kind of frustrated, kind of like upset. Because it's not them, it's pretty much just me not being prepared and not being ready. And that's one thing I learned is when you're not prepared and you're not ready for something, you gotta try to be I'm sorry, these kids got one of the, like, they got their they got one of them dinosaurs because it's like Halloween, 2 days before Halloween, and they got, you know, Friday is the last day of school for the weekend, and one of the kids is dressed up like that dinosaur to come around and like beanbag type of thing. Oh shoot. And I can show you right here the dinosaur. Oh, you about to eat him. So I just wanted to just make a quick video, not a quick video, but it's just gonna be a very jumping around video, because we're gonna go Bronco, and then I'm gonna put in here with the office how we're gonna do the office. And I'm actually gonna take down I'll talk about that a little bit later, what I'm gonna do. But I'm kind of, you know, disappointed in myself on this situation. Not really myself, but I was trying to be more prepared and I wasn't. And I want to get more on it when I get there, because the Bronco's here. I actually, like I said before, I'm going to do the video, talk over it. The Bronco's here. I got to look at it. I love it.
The streaming.
The color is nice. But there's a few things I did not like. I really didn't want the hard top. I really didn't want the soft top. And I really didn't know that it didn't have power seats. But it got heated seats. And that was the biggest thing for me is...
that I'm getting legs for.
It wasn't the fully Bronco that I built, so that was one of the things I was looking at also.
New unboxing,
but I'm going down,
right from here,
test drive it,
and I'm getting a dual,
take a look at it, because I didn't get a chance to test drive. I just did a video just looking at it, so me talking the video right now. That's
my doorbell,
but
to go off of this.
Other than that, I want to say how you guys doing,
plenty of closet space to put
how things are going, and
I just want to
we are trying to do a lot of big things. Actually, I got a business rolling. That's another reason.
We're going to set this up.
I got my stuff going on with my detail shop, and I got stuff going on with my I'm selling cars now. You seen that? And you check my Instagram, you too. You'll see that on there. You know, I'm selling cars, and I'm still selling real estate.
How we should set it up.
I'm pretty new at real estate, so you gotta Excuse me, I'm trying to get better.
Catch you on the next one.
I'm trying to get clients and trying to get things. So
and also
I just started it like 5 months ago. Get into it. It is a process because once you get your first sale, it start rolling, and that's what the process I am now. And dealership wise, I got my first sale the other day, and I'm proud of myself. So I made a big leap, a big leap that made me a little comfortable of, be able to make a sale on that. I've been selling phones and selling everything for years, but I got a chance to sell a car, which is different, way different. And I just wanted to say, thank you guys for subscribing. I know this is a little long talk, but let's get to it. I'm gonna hit you guys when I get to the truck, and we're gonna get inside the truck, and then I'm gonna show you around, and we're gonna talk a little bit more and what we're gonna do and everything else. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm back. I'm actually, you know what I'm in. I'm in the Bronco. This thing is freaking sick. I'm a little disappointed because I can't take delivery yet. I got to get everything together. I wasn't prepared, like I said to you guys before. This thing is amazing. I love it. I showed my team real quick. My team I sell with, they love it too. But you guys, I'm like smiling from ear to ear. Like I'm gonna keep it real. I'm super excited about this car. They said it fit me too. I was like cracking up. But if it works out, and God's plan and everything else, I will sign for this. But if not, I can still build another one and get another one. But if they can't hold it, and because I wasn't prepared and I didn't get everything together, if they can't get it, then it's fine, because the dealership that I work with, they're really awesome. I really love them, and I want to say thank you to them. It's Kenny Ross Ford on Liberty Road, or Library Road, in Pittsburgh, PA. It's Kenny Ross South. So if you guys want to see this Bronco or buy it, you could go on their site. I'll leave a link to it. But this is the one I built. I actually wanted to get it, do a giveaway and everything else, but I apologize. It didn't work out in my plan, so I don't want to seem like I'm like a fraud or anything with giveaways or anything, because the PlayStation giveaway is still going, but it's so sad because I can't get one. I try to get one and they're overpricing it, and I don't want to just give someone money, because I want them to, I'm doing giveaway on the PlayStation, not money. But the next time I would do that. But I was trying to get in a raffle so everyone could get in and we could purchase this mug and get it. But if you like to support the channel and do a lot more things that we're going to do in this channel, there's links below to support the channel. And also, it's free to subscribe to me and hitting the like button so I can be in the algorithm. But this car is freaking amazing. I just didn't get everything in time. It might work out, this week, for me to grab it. But right now, I just wanted to drive it, get the feel for it. Just to see, how I like it and everything else. And everything there. So that was the biggest thing I wanted to see, and see if I really love it. Showed the team, and they was excited about it, and they said it fits me. You know what, I just leave it up in God's hands. Something will happen where I'll be able to get this mug. But I didn't expect it coming this soon. That's another reason too. But this thing is amazing. I built this to a really good spec. And also the Z06, excuse me, with the Z07 package. We are going to definitely order that, and I'm making sure I'm going to pick that one up. That's definitely a fact. So I'm working on things right now for that. So that is no ifs, ands, and maybes on that. I'm definitely picking that one up. Definitely. But this would be something I really love. I get people turning their heads and everything on this car. This is something I really love, and I can't wait to really get it. I can't wait to, put my hands and be able to drive this thing. But this thing is really amazing. One thing I like is this thing is amazing, and it's so responsive. That what Bronco did with this touchscreen is so responsive. Like, you can hook your phone up easy, audio, Bluetooth, navigation. So I got like the whole kit on there. So I really spec this thing out to the T. You got, look how responsive this thing is. Like, they did a really good job on this vehicle. I like everything on this vehicle. The steering, the way it holds, the way it drives. And And this V6 I built here, this thing is freaking monster fast. Like, fast. That's all I'm gonna say. It got heated seats, but it do not got memory seats or anything like that, which is cool. Because it's a truck, and I just looked and turned his head and was like, oh shoot. But you guys can get more picture on the vehicle, on the seats. The seats is right here. But you guys tell me what y'all think about it. I'm really excited about this thing. I would love to have this in my arsenal, in my in my parking garage. Like, comment, subscribe. Like I said before, I put in 2 things, but I'm very excited about this car. It's just, unfortunately, I can't get this one right now. So I just wanted to test drive it, give it a like. And I just want to say thank you for Kenny Ross once again. Kenny Ross South. John is the most amazing guy ever. He really worked with me. He understand. And I say, and the team. The team is really awesome too. So we're going to go in there. We're going to talk to John. We're going to try and figure something out. But this thing is amazing. I would really love this thing to be in my garage. But if you want to support the channel and you want to see this in the garage, like I said, there's going to be a link below. I'll put the sticker up on my Instagram, so you'll see the sticker on there. And I want to say thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch y'all in the next one. So this video was just pretty much the ending of the video of, the Ford Bronco in, house, the office tour. But once again, we'll look at it here. Once again, driving. There it goes. The back, how it looks in the back. Oh my goodness, this is so sweet. I love this car. You can see me ear to ear, like smiling, like I really love this thing. And thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. This is the back seat, y'all. I just wanted to show that real quick. And the outlets are back here. I actually like that to plug in the outlets. AC. Oh, this is the windows that go up and down for the backside. And there. And I love the windows are tinted in the back. So that's one good thing. But one more walk around with the vehicle before we get out of here. But this is freaking amazing. I love it. One more walk around of the Ford Bronco. And I love the black, and then these lights is amazing. All right, the Outer Banks.